we'll see the Venn diagrams. British logician John Venn was first to use the closed figures to represent the set. Such a representation are called Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams are very useful in order to understand and illustrate the relationship among the sets and to solve the example based on the sets. Let us understand the use of the Venn diagram from following example. For example, A is equals to, in curly bracket, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, curly bracket complete. The set A is shown by Venn diagram A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now see this, the information about the John Venn is the first mathematician who gave the mathematical form to logic and the probability. His famous book is Logic of the Chance. Now see this. B is equals to, in curly bracket, x is such that x lies between minus 10 to 0 and equal to 10 and equal to 0. X is an integer. Now all the elements of the set B are represented in the rectangular Venn diagram, that is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. Subset A and B are the two given set, and every element of the set B is also the element of the set A. Then B is a subset of A. म्हणजे B मधले सगळे elements A मध्ये असले पाहिजेत, which is symbolically written as B is a subset of A, and it is read as B is a subset of A, or B is a subset of. Now here A is equals to, in curly bracket, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and B contains 2, 4, 6, 8. That is, every element of the set B is also an element of the set A. B is a subset of A. This can be represented by the Venn diagram as shown above. आतल्या फिगर मध्ये B घेतलेला आहे आणि बाहेर A घेतलेला आहे. Therefore, B is a subset of A. Now next, that the activity, the set of the student in a class and the set of the student in the same class who can swim are shown by the Venn diagram. Observe the diagram and the draw Venn diagram for the following subset. The set of the student in a class, set of the student who can ride the bicycle in the same class. A set of fruits is given as follows. These are the names of all the fruits. Show this subset, that is a fruit with one seed and fruit with more than one seed. The student can perform this activity. Let us see some more subset. N is equals to the set of natural number. I is a set of integers. N is a subset of I because all the natural numbers are the integers. Next, example number 3, P. In curly bracket, x is such that x is the square root of 25. S, y such that y belongs to I and y lies between minus 5 to plus 5 equal to minus 5 and equal to 5. Let write the set P as P is equals to, in curly bracket, minus 5, 5. Let us write the set S Capital S is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to the minus 5. Here every element of the set P is also the element of the set S. Therefore P is a subset of S. Also remember this, every set is a subset of itself. That is, A is a subset of A. Empty set is a subset of every set. That is, phi is a subset of A. प्रत्येक सेट मध्ये empty set असतो. If A is equals to B, then A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. If A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, then A is equals to B. Now next example, if A is equals to 1, 3, 4, 7, 8, then write all the possible subset of A. Now these are the 1, 3, next is 4, 7, 8, V 1, 4, 8, S 1, 4, 7, 8. In this way, many subsets can be written. Now see this. Next activity. Every student should take the 9 triangular sheets of the paper and the one plate. The numbers from 1 to 9 should be written on each triangle. Everyone should keep some numbered triangle in the plate. Now the triangles in each plate form a subset of the set of the numbers 1 to 9. Now see this, the Sujata, Hamid, Mukta, Nandini and the Joseph. These have the numbers. Look at the plates of the Sujata, Hamid, Mukta, Nandini, Joseph with the numbered triangles and guess the thinking behind the selecting these numbers. Hence write the subset in the set builder form. Now next, discuss. Some sets are given below. A is equals to, in curly bracket, 0, 2, 4, 6 dash dash, minus 2, minus 4, B is equals to 1, 2, 3 dash dash, C is equals to 0, 6, 12, 18 dash dash, minus 6, minus 12 and dash dash, and D is equals to 0, 4, 8, minus 4, minus 8, and I is, that is a set of the integers. Discuss and decide which of the following statements are true. A is a subset of B, C and D. Is A is a subset of B? Now see this. We'll see the one by one. A हा B चा सबसेट आहे का? मग A मधले सर्व एलिमेंट्स हे B मध्ये आहेत का? तर नाही. Therefore A is not the subset of B. Now next, A is a subset of C. A मध्ये असणारे सर्व एलिमेंट्स C मध्ये आहेत का? नाही. Therefore A is not the subset of C also. Next, A is not subset of C and A is also not the subset of D also. That is all the elements of that is elements of some elements of the set A are not in the set D. Therefore A is not a subset of D. B is a subset of all the sets which are given above, only the set of integer I. Now next, let us see the universal set. Think of the bigger set which will accommodate all the given set under the consideration, which in general is known as universal set, so that the set under the consideration are the subset of this universal set. Suppose we want to study the student in the class 9 who frequently so that the student in a school or the student of the division. Now let us see the another example. A cricket team of the 50 students is to be selected from a school. Here all the students from the school who play cricket is the universal set. A team of the 50 cricket players is a subset of that universal set. Generally, the universal set is denoted by the capital U, and in the Venn diagram it is represented by the triangle. That is all the students who play the cricket, that is universal, and the team of the cricket players it's a subset. Now next, the complement of a set. Suppose U is an universal set, and if B is a subset of U, then the set of all the elements in U which are not in B is called the complement of B. It is denoted by B dash or the B raised to C. That is, B dash is defined as B dash is equals to X is such that X is in U and X is not in B. Therefore, now see the example. U is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Therefore, its complement is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Suppose U is equals to 1, 3, 9, 11, 13, 18, 19, and B is equals to 3, 9, 11, 13. Its complement is 1, 18, 19. Find the complement of the complement, B complement and its complement, and draw the inference. That is, the B complement and bracket complement is the set of the elements which are not in B complement but in U. That is, the B complement of the complement is B. Next, understand this concept with the help of the Venn diagram. Now next, properties of the complement of the set. No elements are common in A and A complement. A is a subset of U and A complement is also a subset of U. Complement of universal. Complement of the phi is U. Now we will see the practice set 1.3. The set A is given A, B, C, D, E. B is equals to C, D, E, F. C is equals to B, D. And D is equals to A, E. Then which of the following statements are true and which are false? Now see this first. C is a subset of B. Is C is a subset of B? Now see this element in the B and the element in the C. Now B is not in the set B. Therefore it is a false. Next, A is a subset of D. Again, it is a false. A is not the subset of D. Next, D is a subset of B. D is D is a subset of B. Again it is a false because A is not in B. D is a subset of A. Yes, D is a subset of A because A and E both are in A. B is a subset of A. B is subset of A. Again it is a false because F is not in A. Now last, C is a subset of A because B and D are in A. Therefore it is a true. Next, Take the set of natural numbers from 1 to 20 as a universal set and show the set capital X by using the Venn diagram. That is, the capital X is equals to X is such that X belongs to set of natural numbers and X lies between 7 to 15. Now next, Y such that Y belongs to set of natural number and Y is a prime. Now we'll see the answer. The first is U. The numbers are 1 to 20. U is equals to 1, 2, 3 up to the 20. X is equals to the number. They lies between 7 to 15. That is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We can show it by using with the help of Venn diagram. Now see this Venn diagram. That is in circle. It's capital X. The elements are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now see this U. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This is U. Now next is second. U is equals to, in curly bracket, 1, 2, 3 up to the 20. That is, here Y is such that Y belongs to N and Y is a prime number from 1 to 20. Now 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 are the prime numbers. I will show in Venn diagram with the help of the Venn diagram. That is Y 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and the corresponding elements, that is a 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, these are the elements. 16, 18 and last is 20. U. Now next question, U is equals to 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and P is 1, 3, 7, 10. Then show that U, P, P dash by the Venn diagram. U is equals to, in curly bracket, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are the elements in the set U. Now P, 1, 3, 7, 10. Therefore, the P complement, these are the elements which are not in P but they are in U. Therefore, that is P complement is equals to 2, 8, 9, 11, 12. Now see this in the Venn diagram. Rectangle काढणार होता आपण त्याच्यामध्ये. This is the P. The elements are 1, 3, 7, 10. P complement is 2, 8, 9, 11, 12. These are next, number 2. Verify that the P complement and its complement is P. Now we'll write first upon U, 1, 2, 3, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. Its complement is 2, 8, 9, 11, 12. And again we will find out the complement of that complement in curly bracket, 1, 3, 7, 10. That is a complement of 2, 8, 9, 11, 12. It is a 1, 3, 7, 10. that is equals to P. This is nothing but the P. Now next, that is the complement of the complement is P, and that is the original set. Now next, question number 4. A is equals to 1, 3, 2, 7. Write 3 subsets of A. Write the 3 subset of A. A is equals to 1, 3, 2, 7. Therefore, subset of A. Subset of A are 1, 2, 3, 7. Next is 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 7, and 2, 3, 2, 7. Also we can write that is a 3, 7, that is 1, 2, 3, and etc. These are all the subset of A. Now the question number 5. Write the subset relation between the sets. P is a set of resident in Pune. M is a set of all resident in Madhya Pradesh. I is a set of all resident in Indore. B is a set of all the resident in India. And H is a set of all resident in Maharashtra. Now see this first P. P is a subset of B. That is the all the resident in Pune. They are the subset of B. P is a subset of H. That is the set of Maharashtra. Now next, I is a subset of M. That is a set of Indore. They are the subset of the Madhya Pradesh. Indore शहर है मध्य प्रदेश आता है. Therefore I is a subset of M and I is a subset of B also. They are also the resident of India. B. Now next, H is M is a subset of B and M is a subset of B and H is subset of also B. Now see this. These are the subset relations. Now the last is which set can be the universal set for the above set. That is the B is the universal set. That is the set of resident in India. Set of resident in India. Now the question number 6. Which set of numbers could be the universal set for the set given below? That is, a capital A is equals to a set of multiple of 5, B is a set of multiples of 7, C is a multiples of 12. Now see this, the set A is equals to in curly bracket 5, 10, 15. B is equals to 7, 14, 21. C is equals to 12, 24, 36. Dash dash. Now the set of natural numbers contains 1, 2, 3 up to the infinity. W 0, 1, 2, 3 up to the infinity. I is equals to, these are the set of integers 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to the infinity. Therefore, the set A, B, C are the subset of N, W and I. Now the next is N, W and I are the universal set N, W, I are the universal set for the set A, B and C. Now next, the next question, that is to be the set of integers which are multiples of 4. Now we write, and T is the set of all even square numbers. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, dash dash up to the infinity. Set of even square numbers, that is a 2 square, 4 square, 6 square, dash dash. These are the subset of N, W and R. N, W and R. Now the next is, let all the student of a class is a universal set. Let A be the student who secured 50% or the more marks in maths, then write the complement of the set A. The complement of the set A is student who score less than 50% marks in maths. Less than 50% marks in maths. Marks in 50% marks in maths. या प्रकारे विद्यार्थी मित्रों आपण 1.3 कंप्लीट केलेला आहे. नाउ नेक्स्ट वी विल सी द प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.4. टिल देन गुड बाय.